Introducing the Shaper Connected Caliper. Bluetooth enabled and highly precise, so you can send reliable measurements to Origin or other devices at the click of a button. Capturing and maintaining accurate measurements throughout a project is key to successful outcomes, and the Shaper Connected Caliper not only pairs easily with Origin, but helps prevent mistakes by ensuring that precise measurements are recorded down to the thousandths of an inch. Designing on the fly with on-tool CAD and the Connected Caliper is effortless. Simply measure and send. Included with the Connected Caliper is a depth stop, which makes measuring pockets, slots, or other features of your work easy and straightforward. Plus, they're filled with all the stuff you'd expect. Made of hardened stainless steel, 200 millimeters in length, include a protective case, and feature an extra-large, easy-to-read, multi-unit display. The Connected Caliper not only enables fast and accurate measurements on Origin, but on other Bluetooth devices like your computer or tablet. Use them for CAD work, note-taking, or with Shaper Studio. Measure once, cut once. Get yours today at shapertools.com/connectedcaliper.